Good morning friends, welcome back in our science online class. Today we are going to start our new chapter, that is chapter number 9, and the name of the chapter is Clothes are Basic Needs. So what are the learning objectives of this lesson? So first we talk about the learning objectives, means what you are going to learn after this lesson. So first thing you can see here, these are the learning objectives. So what are the learning objectives? Repeat after me. Needs for clothes, types of clothes, natural fibers, synthetic fibers, and maintaining clothes. So these are the learning objectives of lesson number 9. And what is the name of the lesson? Clothes are basic needs. See students, there are 3 basic needs of living things. Do you know? What are they? Yes. Food, shelter, and third one is clothes. Okay. So these are the basic needs. Food we need. Okay. Then shelter also we need to protect from the surrounding, to protect from the enemies, and clothes also we need to cover our body, to protect from the sunlight, cold, and rain. Okay, so this is the about the clothes. So why do we need clothes? We need clothes to cover our body and protect from heat, cold, and cold. Okay, so this is the answer of that question. Now see, we wear the different types of clothes. Yes or no? See, at night we wear the different clothes. During the daytime we wear again different type of clothes. If you want to go to the school, you wear the school uniform. Yes or no students? Then when you come back to home, again you change your uniform. Okay, and you use the clothes which supposed to use at home. If you want to go to the market, again you change the clothes and you go to the market. So different types of clothes we use in day-to-day life. Suppose when you go to the ground for playing, so at that time also you have special dress. So that special type of dress you use to play on the ground. So that only we are going to learn today. What are the different types of clothes and how we use the different types of clothes according to the season and weather. Okay students? So see now, types of clothes. See students, clothes according to activities and occasion. Okay. Now what are the activities? Now for example, a child needs to wear school uniform in the morning. Yes or no? Every day, early in the morning, you become ready. Yes or no? Why you becomes ready? Because he wants to go to the school. Okay? And that's why you wear the school uniform. Whatever your school uniform is there, that you wear and becomes ready. Then at home, okay, we use the simple casual clothes. Okay? Which we use simple dress, whatever dresses are available. So that dresses we use at home. At bedtime means at night time when you are going to sleep. So at that time, mostly all children, adults, they use the comfortable night dress. Okay, those are very loose and comfortable. So that dresses mostly selected by children and adults also. Then playtime. Sometimes we play indoor, means inside our house, and sometimes we go on the ground for playing. So indoor and outdoor games. So for whenever you go to the playing game, so you have separate dresses for that particular game, indoor and outdoor. For example, swimming now. Okay, those are going to the swimming classes. So they use the swimwear. Okay, this is the special type of dress. Okay, which is used for swimming purpose. Parties and weddings or marriages. Okay, so mostly if you go to the party somewhere, so mostly you select the fancy dress. Okay, shiny dress, colorful clothes mostly we use for the marriage purposes and for other occasions or parties. Okay, students. Next, now see, these are the different types of clothes for different occasions. Just you can see the picture. This is the school uniform. You can see here school uniform, sport dress. Okay, this type of sport dress we use, and this dress mostly you use at night. Okay, night dress. Simple and comfortable. Okay, students. Okay, now next one, clothes according to season and weather. Now according to season means, for example, summer, winter and rainy season. So according to season, we prefer or select the dress material and we use that dress material to stitch our clothes, or directly we can buy the ready-made dress also from the shop. So how we select these dresses? So we select according to the weather and according to the season. So according to season means summer season, winter season and rainy season. For example, summer season. Now see, summer season. Okay, during the summer season, temperature is high. Means we need to wear comfortable cotton shirts or cotton dress materials we use to stitch our clothes, because cotton clothes absorb more sweat and we feel cool in summer. That is why we need to use cotton clothes during summer season. So whatever the cotton clothes are there, okay, especially you see all the members mostly they use the cotton clothes, because during summer we feel more hot and due to that more heat, more sweat come out of the body, and this cotton shirt, cotton pant, whatever are there, they absorb the more water and due to that we feel comfortable. Okay student, so understood? In summer season mostly all people use this type of cloth, cotton cloth or a cotton shirt. Okay. Now here in summer it is very hot. Now what about in winter? In winter temperature is low and we feel cold. Yes or no? Now winter season is going on and we feel too cold early in the morning and at evening. Yes or no students? And that is why we use the woolen cloth which keep us warm in winter season and they protect us from the cold. Yes or no? So especially we use the sweater. Yes or no? Then thick blanket. So woolen clothes. So in winter temperature is cold. Okay? And due to that temperature, okay, due to that temperature we feel cold. Okay, or we shiver. Yes or no? Our body vibrates, and that is why we need to wear the woolen clothes during the winter season to keep us warm or to protect us from cold. Okay student, now what about in rainy season? Now in rainy season there is no more temperature and there is no low temperature, but there is a rain. Yes or no? Always we can see the rain during the rainy season. Then in this season we need to wear the raincoat, and this raincoat protect us from the rain. Okay, means our body will not become wet, or our clothes will not become wet, and this raincoat keep us dry. Same thing again, one more thing, that is we use the umbrella. That umbrella also keep us dry. Okay, and it protect from the rain also. Now next thing, yes, we can see this picture, okay students. So in summer we supposed to use the cotton shirt, in winter we supposed to use the woolen jacket or woolen dresses, and in rainy season we supposed to use raincoat. Now next, this is the information, just you can note down. One more time I will repeat. During summer, light cotton clothes help us to stay cool and comfortable. Okay, you can highlight, otherwise you can note down these points in your notebook. During winter, woolen clothes protects the body from cold. During rainy season, so raincoats made of waterproof, means which repels the water. Okay, materials help us to stay dry when we go out in the umbrella, and also protect us from getting wet in the rain. Okay student, so these we can take screenshot and you note down these points in your notebook. Okay, now next point,